Hello students, welcome to my channel Bhavya Physics. Today we are going to discuss first PUC important questions of thermodynamics lesson. Yes students, the weightage of this lesson is nearly 7 to 8 marks. So that means there are some questions which are very important. So if you concentrate on these questions, so please find answers to these questions. This is enough. Okay. So if you read this much, okay, the answers to these questions, that's enough. So then what are all the important questions? So for 1 mark or for filling the blanks or MCQ questions, the questions are like this. So in thermal equilibrium, which physical quantity remains constant? Okay, if the system is said to be in thermal equilibrium, means the temperature is a physical quantity which remains constant. That is one of the very important questions asked for 1 mark or filling the blanks. And what is the area under PV diagram gives? Area under PV diagram, that graph gives work done. Okay, so these are some questions you can expect. And for 2 marks, state and explain. So there are 3 laws: zeroth law, first law of thermodynamics, and second law of thermodynamics. So state and explain of this is asked for 2 marks. Please go through this. Okay, and name the thermodynamics variable defined by zeroth law and first law of thermodynamics. See, zeroth law which defines temperature. Okay, the thermodynamic variable. What are the thermodynamic variables? Temperature, pressure and volume. These three are called as thermodynamic variables. And here zeroth law which tells about what? Temperature. And first law which tells about energy, means temperature. Internal energy means it is temperature only. So it tells about heat, internal energy and work done. These three are the variables comes in case of first law of thermodynamics. And limitation of first law of thermodynamics is one of the important question asked for 2 marks. There are 2 points, so you just go through that. Significance of first law of thermodynamics or significance of zeroth law of thermodynamics, please go through that, okay? And 3 marks questions. This is one of the very important questions. Distinguish between isothermal and adiabatic process with the examples, okay? So you should write 3 points for 3 marks. Discuss the application of first law of thermodynamics for 2 different processes. So if this asks for 3 marks, you should write any 3 processes. Okay, so the processes are like this: isothermal process, adiabatic process, isochoric process, isobaric process, as well as cyclic process. So you should explain the application of first law in any of the 3 processes. Mention 3 thermodynamic variables. And 5 marks questions are like this: what is an isothermal process? Derive an expression for work done in isothermal process. So this is one of the very important 5 marks question. And what is an adiabatic process? Derive an expression for work done in adiabatic process also there. So that is also asked for 5 marks. But compared to this, first one is important, isothermal. And what is Carnot engine? Describe the different parts of Carnot heat engine. And describe Carnot cycle with PV diagram. So the second one, Carnot cycle with PV diagram graph. That is important question, okay, for 5 marks. And numericals based on Carnot cycle to find the efficiency, to find the temperature of source, or to find the temperature of sink. Based on first law of thermodynamics, so many questions are there for numerical. So you can expect numerical problem in this lesson. Yes, students, I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.